Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. 90% of people download VLC Media Player from the wrong website, and that's how they end up installing fake software or bundled malware on their PC. In this video, I'll show you the official and 100% safe way to download VLC Media Player latest version. No fake sites, no risk. And if you want more safe software tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for VLC Media Player official website. Or go directly to VideoLAN.org. I've also added the link in the description. Always download software from the official website to keep your PC safe. Step 2. Choose operating system and version. Once the website opens, you'll see VLC Media Player. There will be options like Windows, Mac, Linux. If you're using Windows, click on Windows. The latest version will be selected automatically. Step 3. Now click on Download VLC. The setup file will start downloading automatically. VLC is lightweight, so it will download quickly. Once the download is complete, you'll find the setup file in your Downloads folder. That's it.